Hi everyone, good morning. I hope you're all good. It's Sunday, the 8th of December 2019, and I'm here to bring you my forecast for Kent for the week ahead. Well, one word can describe the weather this week, and that is changeable. And if I was asked to give you two words, I would say very changeable. We have a very active jet stream now firing across just to the north of the UK, bringing in a procession of active low pressure systems, some really quite deep low pressure systems to the north of Scotland this week, and they will be controlling our weather. Frequent bands of rain, some gales at time, but equally, we get these little transient ridges of high pressure between these low pressure systems. So we do get some finer and brighter spells. So this week, there's a little bit of everything on offer. So I'm going to move it all along. Well, it's a lovely day today. It's dry out there. It's bright. There's some sunny spells, and that's the way it's going to stay throughout the course of the day. Temperatures peaking at around about 9 or 10 degrees in a moderate westerly breeze. Overnight, things do start to go downhill. We look towards the west to the northwest for an occlusion, a weather system that's going to be rattling through overnight. So we bring through a spell of quite squally winds and some rain for a time. Temperatures overnight falling no lower than around about 6 or 7 degrees because of that cloud. We start tomorrow. The legacy of that cloud should soon be out of the way, and tomorrow is another dry and fine day with some sunny spells. A cooler feel tomorrow, temperatures peaking at around about 7 or 8 degrees in a northerly breeze this time that will start off quite strong but will moderate throughout the course of the afternoon and into the evening. It does mean that tomorrow evening the skies will stay clear, the winds will fall out, and tomorrow night into Tuesday will be a very cold one, a frosty one with temperatures getting down as low as -1 or -2 in some rural parts of the county. So, yeah, we start Tuesday, we'll all be scraping the card, but to compensate, it'll be a lovely, dry, fine, and sunny start to the day. It won't last throughout the course of the morning. The cloud will start to increase, and by mid afternoon, I think all of us will be wet again. That breeze will be up strong to possibly gale force along the South Kent coast. With this rain then persisting through the afternoon, evening, and clearing in the first half of the night. A little bit milder on Tuesday because we'll be bringing in that wind from a more milder southwesterly direction, peaking at around about 11 degrees. Overnight, Tuesday into Wednesday, we push that rain out of the way, and then we start Wednesday on again another dry and a fine note. Perhaps not quite as cold on Wednesday morning because there will still be some breeze around. Might just be scraping the car, but generally temperatures will be around about 2 to 4 degrees. Wednesday, again, a dry-ish day, bright day with some sunny spells. I think this time, though, we need to be looking along the South Kent coast for a few showers that could be rattling along the coast. They could be heavy. And during the course of the afternoon and into the evening, I'm expecting these showers to become slightly more persistent, heavy, and potentially spread inland. So, yeah, it could spoil what has been an otherwise okay day on Wednesday. The showers should start to clear out the way overnight. The skies will clear, and Thursday morning, again, another cold and clear start. Once again, we could be scraping the cars, temperatures around about -1 in some rural areas. But Thursday, just like Tuesday, although it may start dry, clear, sunny, and frosty in places, it won't last. There is another weather system that will be pushing in from the west on Thursday. This is in association with a really active weather system. So I think by sort of Thursday afternoon, the cloud will be in, the rain will be falling, the wind, gale force, potentially gusts as high as 55 miles an hour on Thursday evening, potentially 60 miles an hour gusts, as I've said, with driving rains. Really quite unsettled for election day, just something you just need to be aware of if you're going out to the polls. The rain should clear out the way Thursday night and into Friday, and Friday is an improving sort of day, a dry day, a bright day with some sunny spells, just the risk of a light shower, but it will be cooler on Friday, temperatures peaking at around about 7 degrees once again. Late in the day, a few showers will start to move along the South Kent coast inland once again. Next weekend, as things stand, we keep the very unsettled theme going. We keep the wind going. Again, there's a potential of another gale on Saturday afternoon, but generally temperatures on the mild side around about 9 to 11 degrees. And perhaps next weekend, we will avoid the frosts. Looking further ahead towards the middle of the month, there's still no respite from this really unsettled weather pattern. Low pressure, still very much in control, bringing in mild temperatures, wind and rain at times. just a chance of an overnight frost if we get one of these transient ridges, as I've mentioned. So that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed the forecast. Get out and enjoy the fine days. As I say, there will be a few this week. Equally, there'll be some frosts, but equally, for good measure, lots of wind, rain and gales. I'll be back with a written summary later on this evening, but in the meantime, have a good one. Ciao for now.